Hey guys, good afternoon. Time check, it's now 27 p.m. So guys, I'll continue doing this report because ngayon na namin pagpatuloy yung aming report guys. So ngayon, I have this because at nandito yung mga explanation guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. May nakasulat dito paliwanag yan siya guys. At ito yung ESP notebook ko. Be brave with your life. Okay, be brave. Sana guys, magsisimula na ako guys. So guys, ako naman mag-isa dito ngayon. Guys, nandito si Lisa. Ayan siya guys. So guys, mag-review muna ako. So guys, bago pa mag-report ay mag-face muna yan.